Hi everyone, Phil from Seahorse here on East Beach in the far north. I'm up here to do a REVO4 KontikiDrone demo, which is happening tomorrow, so I thought I'd try and get some fishing done today. We've got wind blowing 20 to 25 knots, which is the upper limit, but we'll fly a line out maybe 500 meters and see what happens. Cheers. Our setup includes the drone running down to 2 4-ounce weights, and then I have got 15, or I think it's 14 baits lined up, coming back to our braid winch, which has got an experimental drum on. It's got a larger core, so it means we can load an 80-pound braid on there. Receiver turned on. See the wind blowing the sand past. As you can see, my fishing line's gone out underneath one of the feet. Plug the battery in. Nice and secure. Lights coming on. Waiting for the flashing green lights. There we go. So we've now got a home location, so she'll come home, arming and taking off. The advantage of the bigger drum means it doesn't spin so fast. As you can see, the drone is definitely turning into the wind. I've got a little bit of drag on the drum to keep everything under control. And with a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, I should have plenty of power to get home. I think that will do this time. There we go. Baits released. Return to home. Moment of truth. Yes, it's getting bigger. If I wanted, I could take over control and fly it home, but I'll let it do. I might just control the landing. The sun always gets in the way. Get yourself sorted. And down it comes. I haven't touched the control since hitting the return home button. Fighting that wind, and down we come. Pull the throttle down and motors turn off. Successful fish. Unplugged.